Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will show you why your engine lost power if you have a cable-controlled throttle body. Modern cars nowadays equipped with electronic throttle body, which means there is no cable controlled like that. So this video only for cable-controlled throttle bodies. If the cable loose like that, it won't be able to open the throttle plate fully open. You will need someone to assist you. When the gas pedal pressed all the way down, check the throttle by hand. We can see that there is still some left that the cable needs to pull. So we need to adjust the cable so it pulls more. All we need to do, take this off, pull the cable. It's better now. Let's put it back. Let's check it again. It opens all the way. There is no gap left. And here is the before and after of the throttle body. If you have this particular problem, your engine will gain power after doing that. Some cars cable controlled like that. You just have to loosen the nuts, move them forward to get rid of the loosened cable. Another problem with cable controlled throttle body, when the pedal gets heavy under your foot, because the cable exposed all the time, it pulls dirt inside. Over time, it will be heavy under your foot. We just need to clean it and lightly lubricate it. WD-40 is the best option in this case. You can spray it like that, like I showed you before, or you can remove the cable and raise the cable, then use WD-40. This will clean the entire cable. Shout out to my dad for teaching me all these things about cable control. He's been fixing cable control for over 30 years. Now we can wipe it and put it back and adjust it just like I showed you before. Cable controlled, one of the reasons for engine to lose power. There are so many left which I will cover in the upcoming videos. After doing this, you should be able to feel the engine gain power and the gas pedal feels softer. For upcoming video, I will be covering some of the major reasons why engine lost power and how to bring it back. Of course, without any expensive tool, which my channel all about making everything simple. So that's it for this video. If the video was helpful and learned something new, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.